saying your girlfriend that you're moving to Casper, moving in few weeks to living. Are you talking with me? Me? Are you repairing me? His girlfriend? Hi, Ornardo. Caserna. Wala na ako ng viewers simula nung nakaka-live. Yes. Madilim talaga. Maliwanag naman na. Against the light kasi wala akong stand. I don't have a phone stand with me. I am here at province. We don't have Wi-Fi here, only data. English only, guys, so I can understand your comment. I don't understand the other comment. English or Tagalog, you choose. For 360, what do you mean? Give me likes, guys. Some mosquito bite me here. It's itchy. Wait. I have. You want to? I'm going to make a bag frame. So this is my bag. But it doesn't matter. At least I have a bag. Let's do a bag grade. You want me to do a bag grade? Hello. So we have diapers. First we have diaper. This is for my baby. I'm using Icky Dry. This is not sponsor. And then we have another pouch. And we have makeup here. Give a likes, give a like. Oh, okay. I don't have. And then we have banana here. It's a toy for my baby. And this, we play with this like this. Chop the banana like this. We have like that. And then we have two clothes for my baby. We have cologne. Hide here. Another diaper. We have medicine for my baby because may lagnat siya today. And the case of my eyeglasses.